Have you ever imagined there was a frog that could just disappear in front of his eyes? Not because the magic, but because the disguise was so perfect that even predators had trouble finding it. This is the Vietnamese Mossy Frog, one of the world's most unique amphibians living in the rainforests of northern Vietnam's mountains. As night fell, this frog slowly came out of hiding, its skin filled with rough protrusions with a blend of green, black, and brown made it look exactly like moss clinging to wet rocks. Even at close range, many people did not realize that what they were seeing was actually a live frog. When a snake or bird of prey approached, it immediately froze, closed its eyes, and pretended to be dead. In an instant, its body turned into an unsuspecting chunk of moss. Thanks to this incredible camouflage, many predators left unaware their prey was right in front of them. During the day, this frog hides in watery caves, chalk rock crevices, or mountain stream banks. As night falls, it begins to hunt for small insects using its quick tongue, while sticky pads on its fingertips help it climb slippery rocks and tree trunks. When the breeding season comes, the male frog makes a unique sound that resembles a mix of birds chirping and cricket sounds. After finding a mate, the female lays eggs in tree cavities or rock crevices filled with water, where tadpoles grow up to become adult frogs. With a body length of only about 7 to 8 centimeters, Vietnamese Mossy Frog proves that the greatest strength in nature does not always come from size, but from adaptability. No wonder he is known as one of the most amazing camouflage masters in the world.